2012 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, airbags, cruise control, auto headlight on/off, FWD, child-proof rear door locks, trip computer, fog lamps, daytime running lights, outside temperature gauge, daytime running lamps, side curtain airbag, power mirrors, compact spare tire, smart stop technology, body side moldings, engine immobilizer, chrome exhaust finishers, paint protection film. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.